Imagine a world where innovation is stifled by necessity. Ukraine's defense industry faces this paradox, but a change is on the horizon. Since the 2022 Russian invasion, Ukraine has banned military exports to ensure its own defense. But this policy is now a double-edged sword. Local defense companies, once garage-based startups, have flourished under state orders, but they've outgrown the state's capacity to procure from them. Anatoly Krapchinsky of Piranha Tech argues that lifting the export ban is overdue, as firms need new markets to sustain their growth. Piranha Tech, specializing in electronic warfare and drones, has seen rapid development, fueled by self-funding and small government grants. The battlefield's evolving demands have made research and development more costly, making state contracts alone insufficient for many companies. A government working group is assessing the risks and conditions for Ukraine to re-enter the global arms market, a move supported by industry leaders. Reconnaissance drones could be the first to test the waters, serving both military and civilian needs, while ensuring state contracts remain a priority. However, the risk of Russian forces obtaining Ukrainian technology is a significant concern, as they have a history of circumventing sanctions. As Ukraine navigates this complex decision, the future of its defense industry hangs in the balance. Stay tuned to see how innovation and security will shape the next chapter.